Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to play MP4 files directly in Google Drive. If you've ever struggled with opening videos from your drive or wanted a smooth way to watch them without downloading, this guide is for you. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to play any MP4 in Google Drive effortlessly. First, let's make sure your MP4 file is ready. Google Drive supports most MP4 files, so the chances are high that your video will play without any extra steps. Upload your MP4 file. Open Google Drive and click the New button. Select File Upload, then choose your MP4 video from your computer. The upload speed will depend on your internet connection, so be patient with larger files. Locate the file in Drive. Once the upload is complete, find your MP4 file in your drive. You can use the search bar or navigate to the folder where you saved it. Play the video double-click the MP4 file. Google Drive will automatically open it in a built-in video player. You can use the play, pause, and volume controls just like any regular video player. The player even allows you to switch to full screen mode for a better viewing experience. Optional, share, or embed the video. If you want others to watch it without downloading, click the share button and adjust the permissions. You can also get a link to embed the video in emails, websites, or presentations. Troubleshooting tips. Sometimes a video might not play due to unsupported codecs. If that happens, you can convert your video to a standard MP4 format using free online tools. Make sure the video resolution and format are compatible with Google Drive. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy seamless playback of any MP4 file right from your Google Drive. No extra software, no complicated steps, just fast and easy viewing. And that's it. Playing MP4 files in Google Drive is easier than ever. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's another Google Drive trick you want me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.